everybody. Well, today I took delivery from Rother Valley Optics, and they've sent me through ZWO AM5N. It's a big step up from my current Skywasher GTI that I'm using, and I mentioned it to a few friends that I was looking to get it, and then let them know, oh, it's arrived. I ordered it yesterday and it's here today. Pretty amazing, really good customer service from Rother Valley Optics. Thank you very much. And then they send me messages, oh, you're going to do an unboxing video. So, I mean, there are other unboxing videos out there, but who am I to deny the request of my pals? So, like all good YouTubers out there, I guess the line is, without further ado, let's get into it. Okay. Got another one. Apparently there are tools for things like this, rather than a pair of scissors. All right, nice box. Little handle there. Okay. There it is. So open this one up. And okay. Now we've got a periodic test report just there for the tracker itself. And some other paperwork in there about how to control it, quick guide and stuff like that. Yeah, I think I'll be reading that, well, not the Chinese part, but you know, because I can't speak Chinese, obviously. And we have a nice carry case by the look of it. Yeah, it's a nice flexible handle on that, which is quite nice. Grip. The case itself is very sturdy, rigid. So it's gonna, your tracker is nicely protected in there. We've got a couple of release catches there. So it has two release catches, one on that side, one on that side, and then you have to prise the top and bottom apart. So just by lifting up, there we have it. Isn't it red? So we have a USB cable, like a USB printer cable there, and having this one, okay, so we got another, that's a USB-C cable. Go with it. Phone cable as well. Remote control. Which I guess it plugs in to there, and then you got like a Wi-Fi name and stuff like that. It's a nice box, this, like that. And then the mount itself. Now it's out the box, it feels a bit heavier than what it should do. It's quite a weighty piece of kit. Yeah, nice, and it feels like a really nice piece of quality as well. It's all made from metal, really heavy, substantial. Yeah, nicely done. So I've got my mount on my tripod now. I think it's a regular 3/8 of an inch bolt that bolts up through the bottom, just a standard tripod head bolt. Got some really nice, it's all really heavy duty. This is, you got the right and left turns here, and we've got really good, it's almost like a vice handle which adjusts your degrees, which is really nice and big and obvious here, which I'll be changing when I put it into use, get my correct latitude there. Nice big thumb screws to tighten this up to stop it from moving once you've done that bit. On the top we got some, again, more heavy duty bolts. It will take a couple of different sizes of mounts that go on there. Beautiful. And let me just spin this round. So now on the side there's an Allen key which sits in there quite nicely. It is magnetized, as you can see. You just push it in, boom, snaps in there. Although it might have a risk of falling out, just keep an eye on that over time. Just make sure you don't lose it. And then on the front here, you got your Bluetooth, USB, auto guide. From what I've seen, don't bother using that. That's for your hand controller, and that's your power into it to power it all up. So now I just need to wait for the rest of my bits and pieces to arrive and put it all together and hope for some clear skies. Well, that's about it from me. That was my very comprehensive unboxing of the ZWO AM5N. Can't wait to use it. I've got a few bits that are going to come hopefully within the next few days, touch wood, and I can start to put things together and experiment and try and get this nailed down for a trip down into the southwest later in the month for some bottle class 2/3 skies. Hopefully get some nice nebulas and stuff like that. Anyway, thanks for watching. Cheers for your time. Bye for now.